What is up, YouTube? Survival Junkie here. So today I'm gonna do EDC, my everyday carry. Um, so yeah, let me show you what I carry every day. Let's start out with right front pocket lighter. Big lighter, always lights. I don't smoke, but you know, it's always good to have one. Next thing, the Victorinox. I think this is the Scout. Little blade, scissors. If I can get them. Oh, wrong side. Scissors, tweezers, toothpick, and flathead screwdriver with a file. Clipped on my front pocket, little flashlight. Not it's just one of these cheap ones off of Wish with like, I don't know, $2 or something. Usually, in my truck I have a light in there. My get home bag has no light. My truck has a mag light, so wherever I'm at, I got light. This one's, I like how it's skinny. I want to get a short one, something like this size, but we'll see when the budget allows. Keys, 270 shell casing, rewards, truck, house, whatnot. And left front pocket, a vape. I vape. I know. I used to chew, so my wife got me this instead. So it's gone through extensive use. Like, I've gone through like 4 of these things, and this is my very first like real vape that I got, and like I've gone through 3 others since then, and they broke, and this one just keeps running, just keeps going. I don't know what brand it is, I don't remember, but it is like a workhorse. Paracord bracelet, right side hand, right hand wrist. I got this doubled up in here, so it's doubled up extra, so a little bit more paracord. Can't have too much cordage, so yeah. Next up, watch. I like to, I gotta know the time, and like someone said, they said one time that, why is your time like as for like being late? Like, why is your time so much more important than mine? So I like to be on time, and I don't like to waste people's time. So watch is a must for sure. No, it's not. I think I got this at like a yard sale for a quarter. So, but I like to buy I'd like to, like, from secondhand stores, buy watches whenever they're there and paracord on them. Something cool to do. I've got a bunch of watches, but yeah. Alright, as far as knives go, I know people say that's too big. What do you? But I don't like. I mean, I like folding knives, but I love this thing, and it's the Mora 511, and it is so awesome. Can you see that, Mora? I mean, I mean, I wear this every day. It goes on my hip every day, and it's sharp. It is. So I sharpen it. I use it all week, and then Sundays I sharpen it, and I'll show you how sharp this thing is. It's pretty sharp, and it holds the edge pretty good. It's carbon blade, but I mean, it will shave. It will shave hair. Pretty freaking sharp. So yeah, that goes right hip. Next up is firearm. This is it's a Taurus P111 Gen 2 Millennium. It's a cheap, affordable gun that will take abuse. I mean, I've shot thousands of rounds out of this gun, and I've never had it jam. I've never had it malfunction. I can't say enough about this gun here. It's clear. Awesome gun. I wish it was a little bit smaller. I mean, I guess I can go to a single stack, but I kind of like the opportunity, or the 12 rounds, you know, instead of 7. So I'll look into it. I was thinking about getting my wife a new gun, but I don't know if I want to get me a new gun and her have this one. I don't know. But oh, wallet. There's a Fossil, low profile, money clip, leather. Pretty standard. I've had this wallet for about 10 years. The Fossil, and it is, I'm not kidding, 10 years, and it is held up to, now it's been washed, dried, but so yeah, that's everything in my pockets as far as EDC goes. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on my get home bag, and then after that we're gonna do a video on a bug out bag. But I think I'm gonna announce something pretty big as far as when the bug out video comes in to play, or I'm gonna do a big giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. So if you like this, like it, subscribe and share, and that will be kind of the thing you have to do in order to win this. I'm gonna give away a bug out bag. So it's about $180 worth of stuff. It will come with bag. Everything is pretty much in my bug out bag except food and clothes. So but everything else, it will be in there. It will be a bug out bag. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you when we see you. Thanks.